You're watching the great Evan Allen at his finest.
Sorry.
Thank you, sorry.
Cha-ching. That's kind of cool though. It's even worse angles. I didn't turn it over this time. I wanted it to go right.
I wanted it to go right. It went left.
You know, Evan, if you say something's gonna happen, it's more than likely gonna happen. Like, so if you say you shank it, you're gonna shank it. More than likely, you're gonna shank it. Why don't you just use positivity next time and just will it to happen?
I'm gonna birdie this right here.
Birdie.
Watch.
Deer!
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
what do I do?
There is a deer. Hit the deer. Oh, dude, you're gonna hit the deer.
No, I'm not. Bro is not even phased.
Yeah, I know, man.
He didn't. Oh, hi. I'm gonna chase it.
Dude, he's like, I'm the alpha here.
I'm gonna chase it.
Dude. That deer would rock you so hard.
That's actually looking really good.
Oh, of course.
Wow. I said this something way too deep.
You did, didn't you, jerk? So bad. Oh my gosh. Oh! I think you let stuff get to your head too much.
I think that is that. Oh, I think that's it too.
No! Why? Yes! Dude, that was right at it.